There are several exercises that can help you develop a bigger chest. Here are 5 of the best exercises for chest growth. Barbell bench press. This exercise is considered the king of all chest exercises as it works the chest muscles and the triceps. Lie on a bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground, grip the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and lower the bar to your chest before pushing it back up. Incline dumbbell press. This exercise targets the upper portion of the chest muscles. Lie on an incline bench with your feet flat on the ground, and hold a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing forward. Lower the weights down to your chest before pushing them back up. Dumbbell flies. This exercise isolates the chest muscles and works on stretching them out. Lie on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand, arms straight up in the air, and slowly lower the weights out to your sides, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Push-ups. A classic exercise that works the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Begin in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart, lower your body to the ground, and push back up. Cable crossovers. This exercise isolates the chest muscles and is great for sculpting and defining them. Set the cable machine handles to chest height and stand with one foot in front of the other. Hold the handles and bring them together in front of your chest before slowly returning them to their starting position.